bathroom for a minute. He goes, they're fucking not using their bathroom, dude. I go, let's just make sure. And he goes, dude, I'm cutting this. I'll have it in 2 seconds. I'm not shitting. He cuts through it. Oh, dude, shit.
Did it just dump
everywhere.
out on the floor?
All over the floor. And into this water line. So there's a half-inch water line.
Yeah.
Right underneath it. And it lodged into the half-inch 90. Bryson was picking it out. Oh, it's so gross, man. This is their drinking water.
Can you imagine if they're drinking a cup and there was a fucking piece of corn in it?
That's so gross. I don't know how you guys even can think about it without hacking. That's so the grossest shit.
Oh my god.
Oh, fuck, dude.
Don't film me anymore.